This Headless Professor video is about how to do a service learning project for your course. The basic requirements are that you devote at least 10 hours per month for 2 consecutive months. For example, in the fall semester, that would be October and November. In the spring semester, that would be March and April. And then you're going to have to write up your experience, tying in course content on the document I created for you on Google. It is best to get started at the beginning of the semester, not just before the project deadline. Come into the office, discuss your interests, and we'll help you select the right site. If you know where you want to do your service learning, send me an email. Put one word in the subject line, question. Then put your name and section at the top of the message area and suggest a site. In picking your site, the best thing to do is to take a place where you already do your volunteer work. Make sure that the site is going to be relevant to your future career path. Also make sure that the location and time requirements are going to be convenient for you. My suggestions about where to do your service learning would be to look at clinics and hospitals if you hope to have a career in the healthcare field. Also, look at different child care and elder care sites. You can work at your kids' schools or for their sports activities. If you're hoping for a career in law enforcement, or maybe even forensic psychology or social work, consider perhaps a law enforcement agency. Just doing any kind of helpful service down there will give you insights into how those organizations are run. Another possibility would even be at the local animal shelter. You will get valuable information about both people and animal species. Another thing that's essential for your write-up is to analyze your own career goals by doing a Holland Code analysis. Let's do this early in the semester. The best way to do it, meet with me in my office for me to help you through this. Now, what are you going to be graded on? Depends upon your tie-in, of course, terminology. It is that kind of theory that we talk about in this course that'll bring order out of the chaos of all of the different experiences that you will have. I hope you can tie in, for example, some of the theory of Erik Erikson and the different stages of the life cycle and how that might relate to the different persons who are being helped at this agency. I hope you won't use a lot of long quotations from your sources. Usually it's better just to use short quotes and paraphrases. If you do have a quotation to cite, please use APA format. Perhaps the most important thing in doing your service learning project is to be careful about the use of appropriate terminology. Look at your terms sheet. Avoid the wrong terms. If you're going to have any references, make sure that those references give complete bibliographical information. Your project is to be submitted on a Google document that I create for you. but it's the only acceptable way of turning in your project. And it must be turned in on time. Need more help? Come by the office.